Hi everyone, welcome back to English Spark, where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we're going to talk about some of the most confusing English words that many people, even fluent speakers, get wrong. If you often mix up words like borrow and lend, or say and tell, then this video is just for you. Let's clear the confusion once and for all with easy meanings and examples. Let's get started. Say versus tell say. To speak words, tell. To inform or give information. Examples. She said she was tired. He told me to wait outside. Remember, tell needs a person, but say doesn't. Borrow versus lend borrow. To take something for a short time, lend. To give something for a short time. Examples. Can I borrow your pen? I'll lend you my notebook. Borrow, batch, take, lend, give, bring versus take, bring. To carry something towards someone, someplace, take. To carry something away from someone, someplace. Examples. Please bring your books to class. Take this file to your manager. Bring Fachi to me. Take Fachi from me. Look versus see look. To direct your eyes at something. See. To notice something without effort. Examples. Look at that rainbow. I see a bird outside. Look. Intention. See. Natural hear. Versus listen. Hear. To receive sound naturally. Listen. To pay attention to sound examples. I can hear the music. Please listen carefully to the teacher. Hear. Passive. Listen. Active. Say versus speak say. To express something in words. Speak. Formal or about languages. Examples. She said, hello. I can speak English. Speak equals skill. Say equals words. Job versus work job. A specific position or occupation work, general activity or effort. Examples. He has a new job in marketing. I have a lot of work to finish today. Job, countable, work, uncountable. Too versus very means a high degree of something too, more than enough. Usually negative examples. It's very cold today. It's too cold to go outside. Too body extra, negative tone. Very bain, strong positive tone. Alone versus lonely, alone. By yourself, lonely. Feeling sad because of being alone. Examples. I like to be alone sometimes. After moving to a new city, he felt lonely. Alone. Physical, lonely. Emotional. Hard versus hardly hard. Difficult or with great effort. Hardly, almost not, very little. Examples. She works hard every day. I hardly know her. Hard equals strong effort. Hardly equals barely. Which pair confused you the most? Let me know in the comments. I read